Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Finder and navigating to Applications. This is the only reliable place to add apps to the dock. Once there, make sure the dock is visible and unlocked in System Settings so icons will stay. You should arrange windows so you can see both Finder and the dock. This prevents accidental placement. Now locate the app you want, which explains why we chose Applications instead of Launchpad. Finder gives a real file reference you can drag. You click and hold the app icon in Finder. A single drag operation is essential. Then drag the icon down toward the dock, aiming for the left side of the vertical divider that separates apps from folders and windows. As you move, the dock will shift to show insertion points. This is why dragging slowly helps. Release the mouse or trackpad when the icon is positioned where you want it, and the app will remain pinned for instant launch thereafter. You should now launch the app from the dock to confirm it works, and optionally right-click the icon to choose options like Keep in Dock or Open at Login. If you change your mind, drag the icon away from the dock until you see the Remove puff, then release. If the icon won't stick, check File Permissions and restart the dock process with Terminal using Kill All Dock. Once done, try dragging again. This single troubleshooting step fixes most stuck cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.